What is the threshold in Google Ads? The billing threshold is the number of expenses incurred when the date is reached. When you first start advertising, your billing threshold is set at a small amount. As you continue to make payments, your billing threshold will increase until you reach your final threshold. You will be charged at this point when the final threshold is reached or the first day of the next month, whichever comes first. For example, the first billing threshold is $50. If your ad spend reaches $50, you will be charged at the end of that day. Your balance will be cleared after payment is complete, and your billing threshold will be higher if your ads continue to accrue. Monthly billing date. Your monthly billing date is the date you signed up for Microsoft advertising. Your default payment method will be charged on your monthly billing date, except in the following cases. You've reached your billing threshold or paid your account balance and paid correctly in the last 10 days. Billing threshold. Your billing threshold. If your account is billed in US dollars, your billing threshold will start at $50, and will automatically increase upon payment completion. The amount of increase depends on currency and other factors. Conversely, if you don't pay on time, Microsoft advertising automatically lowers your billing threshold. Watch the next video to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video to get more update.